You don't need permission to break into tech, you need proof. In 2025, no experience doesn't mean no chance. It means the company hasn't paid you yet for the thing you can already learn to do. Remote-first teams hire on evidence, tiny projects, clear thinking, and the ability to communicate. That's our plan today. Let's redefine experience. If you can reset accounts, write a clean bug report, build a responsive page, query a dataset, or configure a CRM field and you can show it, you're employable. Your first goal isn't to become an expert, it's to become undeniably useful. And we'll get there with a 30-60-day ramp. Here are 10 remote roles that welcome beginners. It's support or service desk, L1. You triage tickets, reset passwords, enroll devices, and escalate clearly. A simple incident runbook and basic troubleshooting flowchart prove you're ready. Technical support for SaaS. It's part product detective, part great writer. Show 5 solved tickets from a sandbox and 1-page KB articles you wrote yourself. Manual QA tester. You document repro steps, expected versus actual results, and priorities. Show a short test plan, 20 precise bug reports, and consistent formatting. Junior front-end developer. Build 2 sites, a landing page and a blog. Host them, add a README, and include an accessibility checklist. Small, clean, shipped. Junior data analyst. Clean a CSV, write 5 SQL queries, and turn them into 3 simple charts. Publish the notebook with a short finding summary. WordPress implementer. Install a theme, tune performance, set up backups, and harden security. Show a before-after checklist and a 1-page care plan. Salesforce or HubSpot admin trainee. Create a custom object, a few fields, a permission set, and a report. Document why each decision helps a sales workflow. NOC technician tier 1. You monitor alerts and escalate calmly. Show a mock incident timeline and status updates as if you were on shift. SOC analyst tier 1. You triage security alerts. Complete a few beginner labs and write mini reports, what happened, indicators, and next steps. Cloud support trainee. Learn IAM billing and shared responsibility. Summarize the basics and answer a few hypothetical, why is my bill high? Questions with steps to investigate. Notice what's missing. Years of prior work. Because for entry paths, your portfolio is your experience. So how do you build it fast? Week 1 to 2, foundations. Pick one lane, then set up your toolkit. Learn enough command line and get to push your work publicly. Clean up your LinkedIn and hire basis profile. Take 2 short skills tests, English and logic, to give employers objective signal. Great communication turns no experience into low risk. Week 3 to 4, 2 small finished artifacts. If you're support, publish a ticket runbook and a laptop setup SOP. If you're QA, publish a test case pack and a bug report gallery. If you're front-end, publish 2 responsive pages, both deployed. If you're data, publish a tidy notebook with queries, charts, and a 1-page summary. Each artifact should fit on a single screen without scrolling. Brevity earns replies. Week 5-6, simulate the real thing. Work through a product sandbox or public demo, record short, how I solved this, looms, and write micro KB articles in plain English. Add a what I'd improve section to show thinking beyond the task. Then apply smarter, not wider. Search for junior, associate, trainee, support, QA, WordPress, Salesforce, NOC, SOC. Keep a tight tracker, role, proof you attached, and 1 sentence on why you match their day 1 tasks. When you pitch, lead with proof. Here are 2 artifacts aligned to your job, a troubleshooting runbook and a 5-ticket post-mortem. My communication samples are at the top of the README. I also included quick English logic scores to save you screening time. That line does 3 things. It anchors to their job, it reduces their uncertainty, and it shows you respect their time. Which is exactly what hiring managers want from entry-level teammates. If you're an employer, flip the playbook. Define a 30-day success plan, screen with short skills tests, plus a 20-minute work sample, and coach with clear SOPs. You'll onboard faster and cut noise. Wherever you are on this path, remember, your first offer comes from clarity. Pick one lane. Ship 2 artifacts. Apply with evidence. Repeat weekly. The door opens because you stopped asking for permission and started shipping proof. When you're ready for real roles, browse the latest remote listings and add your artifacts to your profile. And if you prefer a hand-picked shortlist, you can even use an RPO pilot that delivers candidates for free before you commit. Either way, your next step is simple. Choose a role, build 2 things, and show them. That's how no experience becomes you're hired.